What is up, guys? And it's your boy JJ Small with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing my monitor, bro. My monitor. So let's open this up. Let me just get some scissors real quick. Da, 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 da. Put the scissors on the side. Now let's open this up. Bro, why is this so hard to open? Oh my days, bro. Yo! Why is this like steel, bro? Alright, I know what we need to do first. We need to take the plugs out. Plugs. Taking out the plugs. This thing, I do not know what it's for. Let me take that out. I don't know why it's like this. Take this out. What is this for? Oh, that's probably for the cable and stuff. Why is this so hard to open? Right, got out of its box. The instructions, this, put the box to the side. Right, so before we take anything out, we need to read the instructions. This might take a while for me to read these instructions, so I might just skip the vid. Right, okay, so that we don't do. Yep, that, no. Alright, this is going to take me a very long time. Guys, this is what I have so far. Just this out. Got this. You got these beads, these things. Use the instructions. Now I gotta put them in here. Guys, I've done the screws. 4 screws on there. Now I need to add this thing because it says it on there. Right there. So yeah. The other part I had to do is just push this little square thing on. Done that. Okay, all we need to do now is this. We get this thing, we go like this, it goes all the way from the bottom there, straight there, and then we have this other cable right here. This one goes straight all the way up here as well. This one, no, let me just tilt this forwards a little bit. There you go, straight up into the middle one, and there you go. Alrighty guys, and it is set up, everything is plugged in, It is a curved monitor. Got the stuff plugged in. You can see my reflection a tiny bit in there. And then this is what the monitor can do. 180 Hertz. All of that gaming stuff. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And it's been your boy JJ Small. Peace out.